This page is generated by AI, done by 2 seconds, without any coding knowledge or anything with the structure or deployment. So basically what I do is I create a website using Google's AI Studio. And this website is about to help us decide what kind of food we eat. So if I click here, there will be a random food displayed. And we can also choose by Asian food, Western food, light food, comfort food. And within the category, we have different kind of food as well. So basically, we turn a single idea into a web page within 1 click, 1 second. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a single idea into a web page within 1 second. After this video, you will know exactly how you do it by yourself. So this is the front page of the Google's AI Studio. And you don't need to worry about all these kind of things. This is what we are going to do. Here we can choose the model, and basically I will choose Gemini 3 Pro here. And all you need to do is to describe the idea. And what I'm going to do today is to ask Gemini to build a very simple interactive website, which is solving this one single problem. What should I eat for lunch? So basically I customize there is 5 buttons, different kind of food categories, and also the basic idea of this website. Then all we need to do is to just click build. And here we can see there is the whole coding process is ongoing. Here is what they do, and with the preview of the customization of the UI. And if you click here, we can see that Gemini is actually building the whole coding things for us. We actually don't have to have any idea of coding or programming. So if we see here, we can see that the whole UI is being built. All the coding, all the things already done by AI. All we need to do here is just to come up with an idea. So I think he's done here, and the preview is launching. See, have a look. It's beautifully done, isn't it? So this is basically our website. We can download it here directly to our local page and then for deployment. But we can briefly browse these kind of things. So here, once we click here, there will be a random dish for us to eat. And if we want Western food here, we can have different kind of. And if you have nothing, if you have no idea at all, here we can decide it for me. So basically, it's randomly shuffled all the different kind of dishes for us. So here is basically, I think my lunch would be lasagna. And there is few functions. Of course, you can download it, as we said before, load it to the GitHub, and also deploy the app. Let me try it. So basically, if you have a Google Cloud, you can take this app directly to Google. To emphasize those here, we can actually add different kind of lines and our instructions to let Gemini to change the website for us. So say if I would not satisfied with the choice that they give us. So basically here, I think there are not too much different kind of food. If I'm repeatedly click this button, same ideas will come up. And as a foodie, I don't satisfied with. What I do is I come up with 100 different kind of food here. Basically, this is a JSON file in text, and you can write it down by yourself. Also, you can do it by AI, of course. Here we just add it here. And this prompt here, it says that it's going to update the website for us. So if you can see here, the coding will be updated, expanding food, refining data implications, augmenting the data. It's actually working as a programmer. It said that I've updated the application with extensive list. Here's the list is going to be written. Actually, I forgot to ask him to actually add these things. I just paste this JSON. This is probably why it takes quite long. So I think Gemini is confusing what this JSON do. But finally, he actually figured out how to do it. So here he's writing the whole coding thing for us. Now, this kind of thing is not quite difficult if you are a programmer, but this will save a lot of time. But for me, since I don't have any knowledge of this coding, this really helpful a lot. Okay, I think the whole thing is actually being built, which is super good. And if we actually go back to here, we can see that our food choice is already updated. So if I'm keep updating the Asian food, it will pop out different food. Oh, hot pot, I love hot pot. And there are also something that you can do here. You can see that the annotate the app basically is like add some annotation to visually iterate on our app. And here we can have also speech to text, add files. So if we have some ideas and mind map sketch on our local file, so we can add it into this for further customization. And also for the preview section, we can enlarge it to see how it looks on the website. And also we can customize to how it looks on our cell phone. And it's the same thing basically. You can see here, this is also the same for tablet. I love this sound, this is amazing. So I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna eat today for lunch. I would say I would like to prefer Asian food, say. I just click here. Okay, I don't know what it is, but I'm going to eat katsu cash to carry. Okay, that's my lunch. So as you can see here, we just have a very small tiny workflow of how we use AI Studio to build a website. But this can be huge, especially you have no idea how to coding like me. Before we need to have a thinking of how this website is going to be look, and we need to outsource this kind of thing to different kind of programmers. And there is a lot of communication costs, etc. things. But right now, the only thing that you need to keep in mind is how to make this website looks better with creative thinkings. And this tool also is going to be very good for building a demo, a presentation to client. Instead of building a whole PDF or PowerPoint slide, you can just build a small tiny website and to showcase your client how you can do it. And also, since we can see here, this is local host, meaning that we're still on private domain. But deployment of this website is super easy. If there are anyone interested in how to deploy this website into public domain real quick, please do let me know. Okay, I think that will be all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye bye.